Hey guys, today we're going to be trying to taste crackerjack. This is how we do it, and we're going to eat it. So first up, don't mind this though because it just broke off. Hi guys. I'm going to do it by myself. Do it on Nanny.
Hi guys.
We're doing the same thing. Okay, when you open it, it look like this. Yeah.
So when you guys open it,
This is how it look.
Like you want to play with the cars with us?
It look like this, guys. It look like that.
pop y'all.
Yeah, y'all gotta use all your strength.
Yeah.
And I'm using my phone. That's her phone. That everything's okay.
I can rip my ball. Oh, I don't think it's meant to come out.
Yeah.
You know why?
Poppy, it's not meant to come out. It is meant to come out. Yep, that's definitely it. Oh, the thing stuck to it. Guys, this how it look. Yeah, guys. Yeah, guys, it's good. And this is how it really looks. So I'm gonna taste it. Now you playing with the cards with us? They're called crackerjack. You get it from? Mom. Yeah. If you didn't have me, you get it from Walmart. To get it from Walmart, remember to tell your mom to get it. Yeah. Cause it's real good. That's how you go. And not just only doing this thing, we're doing this too.
Open mine.
Cassie,
This is our fries.
don't forget this in there.
I know, that's how I just got my fries.
What's that? This is that too.
These are fries.
This is all.
Y'all see my fries?
A
See
tattoo,
what my
y'all.
fries is?
Cassie, that's tattoo.
I don't know.
Okay, y'all, let's just get back to eating and we're gonna do this next to play with it. And then after that, we gonna do playing with trucks and cars. Yeah, we will. No, that's after this video. No, that's after this video. It's after this video.
I have a sticker.
Mm-hmm.
That's all.
Cassie, open mine. Don't tell me I ripped the thing.
That's like because you were supposed to open it like that.
What's it supposed to be?
Open mine, right.
Where it come from? Where it come from? No, where did this come from?
In your popcorn.
Oh, back there.
I can't open it popcorn. I'm trying to, but I ain't.
What is this? That's nut. We ate this before. This right here is a nut. It's good.
Who went on with my sticker, so?
Me.
I already took it, so. Let me see your last copy.
Okay, after that. Yeah, that's a regular truck video.
Now you want your sticker?
Huh.
Want your sticker?
Now I'm going to buy
Who don't want their sticker?
me. It's how my slime look.
So let me get it.
I want it, but open it.
No.
Alright. Look at all that at your night house.
Oh, never mind. I don't need it. Let me open the bottle.
I got mine.
Let me open it.
That's right here. That's He said, "Hey, Patty, baby." Damn it. Okay, as y'all can see, and this is how can this big thing could fit in this little thing? But you could tell it by.
But this for bread. Put your sandwich
That's a bread
in.
container. You can put your sandwich in there.
You finna go play with the cars?
Sorry guys, just a little mistake for. Hey, let's try to make a bubble. Wait, first, Papa, stop moving. Move your head.
You want to do something like this?
Move, Bobby.
I'm not sure. Oh.
You can't.
What's that?
Hello.
Just pull off. Move. Dang. He fussing me. Y'all want to see how my nail look? This is how my nail look. Very bad. My nail never been like that since I just figured that out. What? Okay, I need
Man.
Pop.
Cause your friend go play with the truck.
Alright.
Come on.
I'm not ready yet.
Okay, y'all, I'm on my break. So I'm on my break, y'all. So that means go back in my stuff from the break. So yeah, and it do come with this inside of it. If y'all can see. Come with this. It's a sticker.
It's a sticker.
Yes, it's a sticker. But how you open it?
Right here, from right. Let me just. It's right there, let me.
Hey, why you opening my thing? Oh yeah, if y'all don't know who that is, that's my big sister.
Where can we go?
Oh boy, that's right here. Is
Yeah,
my brother.
she's be posting late because she has to go to school. Oh, she got a cute one. Oh my god. Oh, as you can see my nails. Pretty cool.
As you see my nails, I finally get my nails done.
Yeah, no, he not. He is not gonna get no.
Listen to this, guys. Don't trust her.
So this for me to win the video. My forehead. It would just go right here. Right down. Push that to the side. Then go back on my break. It's so good. Like, really so good.
Y'all want to see me eat all this at one time.
Puppy. Turn that on the over. Now, sorry for that. Now, I'm gonna play with trucks. Truck time. Okay,
I got this truck.
I got this truck.
You can see it's her brother truck. It's her brother truck, and I'm her brother.
Hey, Poppy,
And guys, check this out.
back up.
If a car's stuck on the roof, it's gonna come out of here. Right now.
Let me get that.
Where's
Some
mine?
cars.
No, let me get that one. Cause we got that. Let me get it. I got you. I see how you acting. I see how you
Don't
acting.
want to give me that.
I'm trying to give it to you, but you don't want to get it. Lonnie, look. You got to fake like you going to Toys R Us with that. Oh, guys, I'm stuck on the roof, guys. Well, watch this, guys. See? But you want to see it go?
Okay, everything I'm gonna take out is
Go for
my Toys R Us truck.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put right here. My 2 cones.
Yeah, the 2 cones. And
I'm gonna
oh yeah, and a fast car.
this, and then little stop sign. That's not mine. So, and we're gonna get out this, the little truck. We're gonna get out this little truck too.
Get out your Ferrari.
We're gonna be getting. We're gonna be getting his Ferrari and this. I'm gonna get this little thing, stop in the road. This little new thing.
You know my sister from.
Okay? And this is how you play it.
Dang.
Push that stop. And let's get the road playing. Poppy, get your stuff ready. The road is blocked now for today.
And guys, if
The
you
road is
remember,
blocked off.
and if you see somebody come be bad and cross this, remind me to
The
bring.
police car.
Yeah.
Wait. Y'all forgetting cars.
Oh God.
What?
Why you on the plane?
Poppy,
Oh
move
yeah.
this out the way because we don't need these cars out.
Oh my God. I'm not about to play.
Okay.
Everybody go be on the
You need
side.
to close your trucks and park them somewhere. Cause we like trying to see how to.
Poppy, go see your mommy in the bathroom. If she not, look. If she not going to the bathroom, behind the toilet, it's a truck like this.
That you pull back and go. I already know.
It's a truck that go like this. Look.
And when you pull it back, it go.
Let me circle around this so nobody won't get in.
Chelsea, you talk about
Double
that you
run
pull
around.
back and go.
This little
No,
thing.
it's like red.
Oh yeah, and
And
then
it got
there's a car
these
that
too.
open.
It's like it's like this.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that.
That just mixed up. And in the back of the truck, you could climb up.
I don't want to be on the road. Cause see how I drive for the road. Y'all want to pull the road back or so? Or something? Alright, play on the road, but put the car in the slow. First, we gotta do this though. Right, connect this with this. We're gonna connect this.
Cassie, talk about this.
Yeah,
God.
What's up? What's up? What's up?
you got that. So this is the truck.
Yup,
That's
yup.
saying stop.
This the new truck.
Yeah, that's saying stop because it's a Toys R Us truck.
Well, he don't know how it goes.
Beep, beep, beep.
They're supposed to go with the Toys R Us.
Teenage Turtles, teenage. Whoop, are red. Toes are red. Stop the
Now you
car.
finna go to- now you
Stop
go to
the
jail.
car. Where did the car went? Where did the
jail.
car went?
I'm
I'm not about to
jail.
play.
Why?
Cause y'all gotta put something behind him and like make it like fall.
No, she just did. I put the car in jail.
Whoa!
I'm taking the car to jail. Look, I put the car in jail.
Stop and say stop.
No, it don't.
And then it's go open. Then you could go.
I don't say stop.
What does it say?
Okay, but do it say stop on the side? We can see it.
But they gotta see it. Oh my God, Lonnie. Lonnie,
Murphy.
the people go out to stop because they're gonna want to go through. Time's up. Okay, guys. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you
Hit that subscribe button and like the video if you like it.